It's for later later today, but I was hoping I could drop my bag off.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll do that, yeah.
Okay, thanks. What's up, people? Welcome back to Venture Dave. This weekend I am hitting up Prague. I just got here from an overnight bus, and the first thing I'm gonna try and do is catch this sunset over the city. I'm trying to get a good vantage point. Not 100% sure where to go, but hopefully I can get some sweet shots. Oh, heck yeah, dog. Look at that, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Ah, where do I go? All right, that's a sweet shot right there, kinda. I'm gonna see if I can go a little bit farther and get some of these like pointy buildings over there. It's a race against the clock at this point. I think this might be the money spot right up here. Super like professional photographer-ish there's a couple other folks over there taking shots with like really intense gear, and I was in there like, yeah, I'm a photographer, I know what I'm doing. I have lenses. Ah, it's so cool. That was really cool. Now I guess I'll just walk around the city all day. I think I'm going to that bridge over there. It looks kind of cool. Let's go. We got the whole day in front of us. I got about 3 hours of sleep on that overnight bus, but we are powering through the day. All right, folks, our first main attraction for the day, Charles Bridge. Charles Bridge, people. So if you touch this thing, something is supposed to happen to you. I'm not exactly sure what. You'll most likely get coronavirus or something. Off in the distance there, you can see Prague Castle. That's our next stop. Alright, so this is really kind of the first vlog where I'm actually, having a real camera set up and not just using this nightmare. So my plan for today is basically go around, see as many of the sites in Prague that I can while, getting some sweet artsy shots, testing out the camera a little bit, and see how it goes. So let's see what we can do. Made it. Prague Castle type stuff. Well, I think this is like the basilica at the castle, but all kind of the same thing, right? I'm really trying to focus on getting a lot of really artsy shots. Basically I suck and I don't think far enough in advance to be like, oh, I should capture all these shots with my with one lens and then switch to the other lens and capture all those shots. So I'm constantly switching between the two, being like, oh, this will be cool, and then I'll forget to film something. I'll be like, oh, I gotta switch back. I'll be like, oh, wait, here's another angle I want to catch. And so I'm constantly switching, and it's just a huge pain in the butt, but it's a huge pain in the butt. My diet has so far consisted of a bunch of chewy bars, so I'm gonna see if I can hit the town and find some food. walking around for almost 5 hours. Finally got some food. Just gonna chill out, take a little break. I'm exhausted. All right, definitely feeling a lot better after eating, but I'm still really tired. I could use a nap. No time for that. Now we're just gonna head on down this plaza, which will hopefully lead us to some more buildings, specifically our clock tower, which we're looking for. Stay with me. Found it, clock tower, which also happens to be in the Old Town Square, which has a whole bunch of other cool looking stuff, huh? Let's go take a look. So I've been hanging out in this square for a little bit, just, you know, taking all these sweet artsy shots. At least I think they're kind of sweet. I don't know. I'll see how they look when I actually re-look at them. There's two things I want to do right now. Number one, I've been seeing people walking around with these delicious sugar dough things with ice cream in it, so that's what I'm going to get at first. I'm going to get that right now. And then after that, I've been hearing a lot about Czech beer. It's supposed to be pretty good. We're going to try one of those too. Oh, that's kind of cool actually. A little Dementor statue. All right, folks, I think it's time to go find some of that Czech beer I've been hearing so much about. I'd give it a thumbs up, would do again, would recommend. Didn't get to do as much filming as I wanted, because while I was in there, the guy was like, "Hey, are you filming?" And I was like, "No." Churchill. I've been walking around all day. So much to see. It's awesome. Let's keep going. So this is called the dancing house because it looks like two houses dancing. So naturally, there's only one thing to do. I don't know if it's because it's what they normally do or if it's because I had my camera, but the guy basically gave me a free Turkish tea and Turkish dessert to go with my meal. He probably saw my camera and was like, "Oh shoot, this guy's a famous YouTuber. Gotta treat him well so he doesn't trash me on his next video." Joke's on him though, nobody watches my videos. No, but actually another similar thing happened where I was walking by this glass blowing shop and I was looking in the window and the guy was like, "Oh, what's going on? What you doing?" I was like, "Oh, you know, just chilling, bro." And he was like, "Come on in." And they just started giving me free beer and he let me do a little bit of like glass blowing. He kind of made some stuff, showed me, and I was like, that's pretty cool. So basically, more of the story, kids. Bring a camera everywhere you go. You'll get treated a lot better. All right, guys, so I'm back in the same park, the same viewpoint that I started the morning in. I'm gonna see what I can get as the sun is going down. What a beautiful place up top, but I wanted to make sure I came down and had enough time to take some sunset shots on Charles Bridge and of the bridge. So here we go. Charles Bridge, let's start taking some shots. Alright guys, and that is a look at Prague. What an awesome time. We started off with the sunrise, ended with the sunset. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at this beautiful city. If you did, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. But as always, venture on, and I'll see you guys around.